The first light of the day breaks over Chebi, the traditional capital of Achimwe-Buakwa. Long before the royal procession begins, the spirit of Ohum festival is already alive. Across the town, people gather with excitement, dressed in colorful traditional cloth, each person preparing to witness one of the most significant cultural celebrations in Ghana. This is EBY TV, and welcome to Ohum Festival Diaries 2026. From above, the DURBAR grounds gradually comes to life. The drone reveals a breathtaking view of the venue, where thousands of people will soon gather to celebrate the heritage, unity, and resilience of the Achimwe-Buakwa people. Every corner reflects careful preparation as chairs are arranged, ceremonial canopy stands ready, and security personnel works alongside traditional organizers to ensure everything is in place. As the morning progresses, invited guests begin arriving from different parts of Ghana and beyond. The atmosphere grows more vibrant with every passing moment. Traditional songs echo across the grounds as men and women sing in celebration of their ancestors, their history, and the blessings of another successful year. These songs are more than entertainment. They preserve the stories, values, and identity of the Achimwe-Buakwa people, connecting today's generation with those who came before them. Soon, the silence of the morning is interrupted by the thunderous sound of musketry. In many Akan festivals, musket firing symbolizes bravery, authority, and the official commencement of royal ceremonies. Every sound reminds the gathering that culture is not only seen, it is heard, felt, and experienced. Traditional leaders, government officials, families, tourists, and lovers of Ghanaian culture steadily fill the grounds. As anticipation builds, everyone knows that the most significant arrivals are still ahead. Soon, distinguished chiefs, Queen mothers, government officials, and finally, the Ochehene himself will make their ceremonial entrance into the DURBAR grounds. The stage is now set for an unforgettable celebration. Coming up in our next episode, we will witness the historic installment of a diaspora chief and a good woman servant at the Ofuripeni Fie, where tradition, loyalty, and cultural heritage comes together in solemn ceremony. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe to our channel as we journey through the beautiful culture of the Achimwebuakwa people. Comment below which part of the Ohum festival would you love to see, and EBYTV got you covered. See you in our next episode.
EBYTV, simply unique.